So in order to combine brass pieces and prepare them for soldering later with zin or stannum, it is important to fix these pieces and to bring them sometimes in strange position. And I thought one idea could be to fix them with spot welding. So one needs only a few spots to keep these pieces in position, and then you can solder them with classical way with this stannum here or zin. So for this purpose I organize this spot welder, and this is normally used in jewelry industry to solder or to melt very small pieces made of gold or silver or whatsoever. And I thought it could be useful to use it also for brass. Brass contains zinc, and for soldering it's not the best material because the zinc oxidizes quite fast. So what I use also in addition is I applied argon as a protecting gas. It is directed through this tip here of the handheld, and it minimizes the oxidation at the point of welding. I have a gas supply which I use also for other purposes, and so I have argon in the house, and I linked it to it, and now I show you how this works on this test piece here, which has already fixed in some positions. So it is absolutely required that you protect your eyes with this helmet here. The shield is switched on if the welding occurs. The flash comes, it closes here the screen, and your eyes are protected. It's also good to protect your skin, because the UV light which is emitted during the welding is really strong, and you can get even sunburns, and and you would know the consequences of too much UV. So now I have this welding device, and I go pretty close to it, and then you weld these spots. So you see the result, the fine line of soldered spots, combining both brass parts, the top and the bottom one, and the clamp here is the other pole of the supplied energy chain. So the welding is finished, and I like the result. I'm pretty convinced that it's good enough. You see these melted parts, and this was not even the strongest current which can provide it. And one has to play a bit with the amount of current you supply. But here you are, it is very nice combined. It's not perfect, but I don't care, because this will be soldered anyhow later on with the conventional at 300 degrees with stannum or zin, which is used for low temperature soldering. It is a way to combine brass pieces, and of course you can use it also to combine very small brass pieces and can use them directly without any soldering. It depends. I use it, for instance, for repairing my Magnus wagon, where I lost some small handles made of iron, and I soldered them with 1 or 2 ticks again back to its original surface. And this is much better than using super glue or whatsoever. So it works also iron, brass, chrome, aurum, also gold and silver. Even titan you can solder with this device. Really nice thing, and it doesn't cost a fortune. I was really happy with the quality of this device. Thank you for your attention.